Hello everybody, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about the Sous Vide ISV 300W by Inkbird. This is something that I've been wanting to try out for a while. Notice it's a nice digital display. We're going to pull this out. We're going to go ahead and make some eggs with it today, and then I'll walk you through some of the benefits. So, stay tuned. All right, here's what's inside the box. It's covered in foam, as you can see, which is great. We've got a nice little instruction book, and then a manual one if you want to go ahead and use a QR code. So this really is a nice looking unit. You'll notice if I pull it out, it's got this clip on the side of it. This is what it adheres to. It's got your standard 120 volt plug, US based plug. They also make EU plugs as well if you're interested and you need one of those. All right, everybody, once you go ahead and you get this plugged in like we have, we want to go ahead and set it up in here. And this thing wants to be attached to your Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi button isn't blinking on there anymore, it's set up. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Wi-Fi. We're going to hit confirm, which we'll get into there in a moment. You'll notice that we are at 23 degrees. What we want to go ahead and do is change that. So you'll see down here, we've got a bunch of custom presets that we're going to do. So we can go all the way through and find all of those that are sitting in there, but I'm going to go ahead and go for a special one. So basically, if I click on this little icon right here, I can set the temperature for what I want, and I'm going to 154 degrees. All right, so we're changed, ready to go. You just go into the gear right here and you swap it over. So now let's go ahead and set up our cook. I hit save. All right, and we're there. I hit confirm. And the reason that we're setting up for 154 is because we are cooking scrambled eggs tonight. And the last protein I'm concerned about precipitates at 154 degrees. So normally eggs take 8 to 10 minutes when you cook them whole. But since we're going at this nice lower temperature, softer level, we want to make sure that we get them as soft and pillowy as possible, which is why we target protein precipitation, not just standard egg cookery temperatures, which would be north of 165 degrees. All right, everybody, you'll notice that our water temp is 106 degrees Fahrenheit. And when we look on here, there is a min line here at the bottom right there. And then there's a max line. So when we pop this guy in here, we want to make sure we're in between that, which we are. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set this for 154 degrees. So now what we want to do is hit start and watch what happens. See the water starting to churn. The temperature is going to start to go up. All right, let's let it get up to 154. And a little bit of olive oil for some flavor, about a tablespoon. All right, we are at 158 degrees. And we've gone ahead and done our timer, so let's go ahead and hit start. And you'll notice our temperature is starting to go up. So we've got 6 eggs here. We're going to throw in some salt and some pepper and whisk them up. We're pouring our eggs into a food saver bag. Go ahead and check out the link attached and it'll show you all about how to utilize these bags. And the best thing is the machine I used is from Inkbird. Welcome to Inkbird's Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker ISV 300W. The ISV 300W adds the IPX waterproof design to this robust construction of a previous generation, making it ideal for long tube sous vide cooking. The IPX7 waterproof construction is better for long tube sous vide cooking, 3D water circulation while heating, and plus or minus 0.3% Fahrenheit accurate temperature control for more satisfying cooking results. The 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection allows you to hook up to your home's remote Wi-Fi so that you can check on your product from your app anywhere. It has several USD presets involved in it and has a running time of up to 100 hours. The highlights of the app make this the perfect companion for those long-term cooking events that you want to go ahead and achieve and give you the best results possible, as Inkbird has the ability to be 0.3 degrees accurate within the temperature that you are targeting. With a sale price currently of $160, there's an immediate $50 off coupon on the website right now that you can go utilize. If interested, please go ahead and check out my affiliate links below and enjoy watching the video. Thank you. All right, everybody, here's our eggs. Give them a little mix to get all that pepper mixed around. We're at temp, so they're going to just go in like so. And there we go. All right, everybody, so here's my thoughts on the Inkbird ISV 300W. It's a great unit. Don't Don't really see anything wrong with it. It fits nice in this square little box. The packaging on it is nowhere near as nice as the other. Anyways, I did like it. It worked out really well. It did a great job with the eggs. Kept the temp nice and consistent. You know, for $139, I'll drop it right here. It's a great deal. It's on sale right now on their website. I think it was $200, and I think it's down to $139. Again, I'll drop it right here. But yeah, nothing really negative to say. You can use pretty much any pan with it. I used the stock pot because that's what I had. But you know, the product was great. Now, for a fraction of the price, you know, with this being $200 original, and I think down to $140. Again, I'll drop it right here. This guy is $40. And he's on sale right now for $20.99, or there's also some affiliate links I'll drop down below for my Amazon store. I think it's even a couple of bucks less there. But yeah, this is great. This is an infrared thermometer. Again, it shows a little red dot. You can turn the red dot on and off, nice and convenient. It's got a couple different fun features on it. As you can see right there, it's anywhere from -5 up to 100 Celsius. So, you know, that's pretty good. So that's gonna work out well. So yeah, this is a great little unit. Again, this is 20 bucks. This is 140 bucks. This is kind of all inclusive. It'll take care of everything for you. With this, you've got to heat a pot of water, sort of monitor it like that, but you can still check it, and this can be used for many other things. You know, this is kind of sort of a one-trick pony. It's a dedicated sous vide system. So yeah. So if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you come here all the time and you're not subscribed and you like what we do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, please go ahead, link down below. And if you want me to try out anything else that Inkbird sells, please go ahead and pop it in the comments. I'll reach out to them, let them know, and we'll go from there. And as always, have an amazing barbecue week.